Did you know or did you hear about the Jamaica disaster relief tax waiver? Hurricane Melissa emergency support effective October 29, 2025 until November 28, 2025. Tax waive, input duty, ID, and general consumption tax GCT approve relief items. So there will be a link below this video with the items you can buy overseas and ship to family and friend in Jamaica at no duties charge. This is a list of some of the items that can be shipped to Jamaica duty free, tax free. So you have wipes and toiletries, cleaning supply, diapers and baby central, clothes and bedding, over-the-counter medication and first aid kits, kitchen utensil, garbage bags, building material, zinc, ply, board, nails, generator. This is important. 500 watt. If it go over 500 watt, it will attract tax. Under 500 and under, no tax. Sleeping bag, cot, flashlight, school supply, water bottle, storage container, batteries and power banks, lamp, solar floodlight, rain, gears, gloves, water bottles, maps, brooms, fuel container, non-perishable food, hand tool, shovel, axe, hammer, repellent, water purifier kit, and many more. See the PDF link on my webpage with the list of items and the details, and there will be a list of items I pick from Amazon that are very reasonable. You might need to take a look at or consider purchasing to send for family and friend. This is the time when we send help and whatever relief we can do to help family and friend in Jamaica. Hurricane Melissa has tear the country apart. Many people need help. People overseas, give a helping hand. You will get more blessing. Check the website, check the links, download my PDF file with the list of items and to get more information. Check it out. Send this video to someone in Jamaica or overseas. Every link help support the island while saving money during the recovery. I am Troy Roden, helping out people rebuild strong, stay safe, stay prepared, bless.